Hi, I'm Dr. Meenakshi Banerjee and I'm from Delhi. I got the information for World Laparoscopy Hospital doing a robotic training, and I've gone through the whole curriculum and found out it is very good. Even the reviews were very good. So when I came here and joined the course for it, I find it very useful because sir started with all the basics information about robotics and comparing it with the laparoscopy, and then there was a 3 to 4 days intensive training on two types of robots, the Da Vinci also, and as also the SSI Mantra, which is being now very commonly used. So I find it very, very useful as as a robotic training who are budding robotic surgeons who want to get into how there is a difference in from laparoscopy to robotics and how the handling should be done. So it will be very, very basic, but it's a very good course to start off the foundation as. So it's a very good place, and even the supporting people like Shadab is there and Mr. Mutim is there, who has really helped us throughout the course and were very helpful in troubleshooting and teaching her all the basics of how to handle the robot, how to do the docking, homing and all that. So it's a very useful course. I would say all the best for the World Laparoscopy Hospital for the same.
A gynecologist. I've come here to World Laparoscopic Hospital with lots of reviews from my colleagues, and it has been really rewarding for me. I've taken a good standard of foundation from here. Basically, to build a good tall house, we need a good foundation to withstand all weathers. So I believe this, I would have not got any best other opportunity to learn laparoscopy under Dr. Mishra and Dr. Balla. I believe for beginners, this is the right place to be. We get a lot of exposure in hands-on training as well as wet lab exposures, which has really improved my skill from day one to today. I feel much confident in handling laparoscopic cases. Thank you.
Dr. Abhinandan, consultant urologist from Mumbai Hospital. Attended this 4 days course of robotic training. It was very informative, and they teach you from basic to skills till you can go back and start on your own. Overall, the experience was great, and I would recommend everyone to try this 4 days course if you are planning to do a robotic surgery in the future.
Hello, I am Dr. Abhishek Bhomik from Kolkata. I am working as a consultant surgeon there, and so we had come to World Laparoscopy Hospital for this course, FICRS course on robotic surgery, and it has been a great experience, amazing hands-on and amazing training, literally hand-holding for everything from start to finish. So overall, I will recommend everyone to come and have this training if they want to start their robotic journey.
Thank you. Hello, this is Dr. Shamik Shanal from Kolkata. I have just completed the 4-day course of robotic workshop here in World Laparoscopy Hospital, Delhi, and it's been amazing to be here and to learn the basic steps of robotic surgery, and I hope that this would help all of us in future when we start doing a robotic surgery. So I would recommend every one of you to be present here to learn the basic steps from the master and to utilize that in future so that it would be helpful for your future practicing. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Dr. Diya Jabbar. I am actually a general surgeon from Kerala. To be honest, I just finished my residency last month, and directly from there I have come here. My expectation was to learn the basic skills of laparoscopic surgery, and what I got in return was even more than apprehensible for me. All this course was brilliantly structured, it was perfectly executed, and they helped us so much, and I'm sure this is going to be of great help for me in the near future. And everyone will be saying about how good the course was. I wanted to add one more thing to that, how good the people here are. Our professors, Mishra sir and Balla sir, how sweet they are. Even in the corridor, we can stop them and ask the doubt, and they are available for us all the time. All of our lab assistants, our OT technicians, they were like, itna pyara log, I haven't seen them anywhere, because they were of so help to us. And that is another thing that I'll be taking from here, how to be a good OT team, how to be with them, how to actually treat them, how to talk with them. So I hope I came here in the right time, and I will be trying to be at least 10%, 1 out of 10% of what they all are. Thank you.
Begin. Hi, I am Dr. Mohit Jain from Indore. I am a general surgeon, and recently I will be joining a GI fellowship, before which FMAS plus DMAS course was mandatory. It is a beautiful course which is designed for the general surgeons who want to learn laparoscopy from a nutshell. It provides you the ABCDE of the laparoscopic surgeon so that you may become the complete surgeon under the guidance of respected Dr. Mishra sir and respected Dr. Bhalla sir. Both are amazingly honest, and they are providing concepts and clarity in a manner that even MBBS grad can understand the things. And joining this course, you may become a complete surgeon, and do join this course. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mohit Jain from Indore. I am a general surgeon, and I'm soon going to be joining a gastrointestinal fellowship. So for that, FMAS plus DMAS course will be act as a primer or starter. So some of my colleagues and my seniors recommended me this course, which is Fellowship in Minimal Access Surgery and Diploma in Minimal Access Surgery, which is going to be a stepping stone in my gastrointestinal career. Here you get immense core training under Dr. Mishra sir and Dr. Bhalla sir. Everyone is very professional here, and the course is very good in quality, and the OT staff and everyone is very supporting here. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Lata Singh. I am currently working in UK. So I came here just for the DMAS and FMAS training from World Laparoscopy Hospital. And I've got recommendations from lots of my people. And that is why I specifically came from UK to work here and to gain confidence in, and because foundation is the most important thing which is needed before doing anything. And I think that was my very good decision. And I actually gained a lot of basic knowledge, which was very important, and they even taught us the basic robotic techniques also, which was very good. So, and I'm planning further to come back for robotic surgery as well. Thank you.